The Xerox Iridesse production press combines the value of highly automated, agile digital production with exceptional image quality and jaw-dropping embellishment effects, making it easier to unleash the potential of print and achieve remarkably brilliant results. Iridesse magnifies your wow per page by combining stunning 4-color imagery with up to 2 specialty dry inks in line, all in a single pass. Unique to Xerox is Ultra HD resolution, which combines 1200 by 1200 by 10-bit rendering at the front end with 2400 by 2400 by 1-bit print imaging, yielding offset-like halftone images, smooth tints and gradients, as well as fine text and line detail that competitors are hard-pressed to match. New small particle high-definition emulsion aggregate, or HDEA toner, has a smooth, low-gloss appearance and optimizes yield, as well as sellable output. Images are registered precisely to each sheet with a combination of sensors and guides. Even at the full rated speed of 120 pages per minute, registration is maintained within half a millimeter. The belt fuser ensures exceptional image quality across the widest range of coated, uncoated and textured media up to 400 GSM. Printed sheets are then cooled and decurled so they are ready for either side 2 imaging or finishing. While its 4-color quality is outstanding, it's only the beginning of what Iridesse can do. Iridesse redefines digital printing with ColorFlex technology, which layers CMYK with up to 2 specialty dry inks, including true metallic silver or gold, white or clear, in a single, incredibly productive pass, all while maintaining spot-on registration from color to color, so you can print with ultimate digital agility. Specialty dry inks placed in the underlay station provide a base layer that amplifies CMYK tints and imagery. Metallic underlays can be used to create a rainbow of iridescent effects, while white underlays extend your application range to include films, colored, and other specialty media. White, metallic, or clear overlays create spot embellishment effects for logos, graphics, patterns, and more. When used to its full capacity, Iridesse lets you move beyond time and cost-intensive embellishment processes with new, short-run, quick-turn, high-value applications and ultimate production confidence. ColorFlex technology includes Easy Swap, which lets you change specialty dry inks in a matter of minutes, so you can vary and execute specialty print embellishments easily. Automatic quality controls through the full width array help you deliver demanding requests fast. The full width array corrects potential image quality issues such as density uniformity and image transfer. It also provides automatic setup of back-to-front registration. Iridesse's registration accuracy, coupled with auto-duplex and up to 6 stations, means you can achieve sought-after specialty effects with stunning accuracy. Some of these automatic adjustments can be batched together and scheduled at the start of a shift or before essential jobs using Iridesse's Easy Press Check capability. Easy Press Check simplifies otherwise time-consuming tasks for operators, putting more time back into the production of brilliantly sellable prints. Technologies integrated throughout the press ensure superior performance for mixed or specialty stock jobs up to 400 GSM. This patented mixed media acceleration capability means you're ready for the most challenging requests. And with the ability to run sheets that are up to 1.2 meters long, you can not only think beyond traditional 4-color print, you can think beyond the limits of standard sheet sizes. A robust suite of inline finishing options, including a new Xerox crease and 2-sided trimmer, lets you move manual, offline finishing processes to an automated, efficient production line. When you combine Iridesse's digital embellishment with its automated, agile digital production, you find a solution to many of today's challenges, as well as new, high-value, commodity-crushing application opportunities. Now, that's brilliant.